All right, so I just got into Peru.
I decided to start my trip in the Amazon rainforest.
There's the treehouse over here. Oh no! Oh my! Oh! Oh! The Amazon almost took me. I was about to be living here, rent free. My boot is filled. Oh!
Oh my god.
Got a little hungry on the hike, so we decided to have some grub.
After hatching out, the grubs are gonna feed on the coconut flesh in this hole. Jungle candy.
Jungle candy. First crickets, now worms.
Come on now.
One more time.
Delicious.
After the hike, we went fishing for piranhas.
This guy's teeth right here. Uh-huh. Wow, look at that. Dun, 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 dun.
Just when I thought it couldn't get any better, I met the love of my life, Lupita. Then it was back to the Amazon rainforest to look for snakes and caiman.
Caught the caiman. Just reached right in there and caught that
This
caiman.
guy reaches like about 9 feet, guys.
Me and Osmar were out here just snake hunting.
That's a common tree ball.
This is the most dangerous snake in the Amazon?
Yes.
Really? Why is it the most dangerous?
It's a pit viper. It's the cousin of the rattlesnake. 50 babies are born at a time.
50 babies.
Yeah.
After getting out of the jungle, I decided to hit up the deserts of Peru. Oh, what the hell is going on right here? How is that dog surfing that sack of potatoes? Look at that. Does the driver know? Go, doggy, go!